Imagine if saving over $5,000 felt less like a chore and more like a game you actually want to play. That's exactly what the 100 Envelopes Money Saving Challenge binder offers. This isn't just a binder, it's your personal finance coach, transforming the classic envelope challenge into a stylish and motivating experience. Inside, you'll find 100 reusable envelopes, each numbered for savings targets from $1 to $100. As you fill them, you're not just saving, you're inching closer to that impressive 5,050 total. Plus, there's a reusable tracker to visually mark your progress, making it even more rewarding. The A5 size means it's portable, perfect for saving on the go. Whether you choose to save daily, weekly, or whenever inspiration strikes, the flexibility is all yours. Picking an envelope feels like a mini challenge. Will you tackle the big one today or play it safe? This system makes saving fun and satisfying, ideal for anyone looking to build better financial habits. With its sleek design and durable pages, this binder is built to last. The 100 Envelopes Money Saving Challenge binder is your ticket to a more engaging and enjoyable saving experience. Watch your savings grow, envelope by envelope. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comment.